Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Oily Housewife. I actually have this look for you that I'm gonna be showing you. It's super fast, super simple, so it's like an everyday look really. If you want a little bit simple, just don't put the lipstick on and you're like good to go. But yeah, this is using the new foundation, concealer, hold on, and the mascaras, as well as some originals, which I'll get to it in the video. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. Again, I'm the Oily Housewife, Patricia Hayas. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications because I love making videos. And if you guys have any questions on any of the products, please leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, let's just get straight to the video. All right, as you can see, nothing's on my face. All that I have, honestly, is just the lotion and the essence. What is it called? Brightening essence from the new Bloom collection that Young Living came out this year. So I just washed my face and then I put the, what is this? Brightening lotion, which it's very thin, silky, like you use 2 pumps and it just goes all over. It's really good. It smells really nice too. And then I finally got the brightening essence. I don't know if you can see it. And look at that. It's just, oh, I hope you guys can see like that little shimmer going on in there. Anyway, so that's all that I have on my face. As you can see, I got a whole lot of freckles going on and my skin is not happy with me recently. I don't know why, but it is what it is. But this is why I want to make this video for you guys so you can actually see the coverage. So I do have problems, yes, hormonal based, and probably didn't eat something I was supposed to, and then all of a sudden, yeah, it's on my face. But anyway, I'm just gonna get straight to the makeup. And what I like to do first is apply the concealer all on my problem areas, and then I'll blend it out. This one is light 2. Now light 1 is more on the pink undertone, and I'm more like an olive neutral undertone. So all that I'm going to do is literally just take as much off as I can because this thing is also super thick. So just a little bit under my eyes. And then I go to my problem areas. Just like that. I know it's not pretty. I look like a weirdo and I don't care. This is the way that I do makeup really fast. I have my little sponge from Young Living. I don't know if you guys can see that little detailing. So cute. I'm just going to blend this all out. I'm also going to do the lids of my eyes because my concealer will be my primer for my eyes. So I'll be doing this really fast. I'm gonna kind of just fast forward through this. Nobody needs to hear me talking through this, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna leave it as it is. As you can see, it did pretty good in my opinion. So I just blended the concealer all over, kind of try to get my problem areas as much as I can because I'm also gonna be going with Buff foundation. I am obsessed with this packaging. It's like a frosted glass. It is just gorgeous. If you guys have noticed, they are like out of stock of a lot of foundations, a lot of concealers, a lot of products. And that's just because Young Living is in high demand right now because of everything going on. So here is a little trick that I don't know if I came up with it, if I saw it, but I've been using this for years. So all I'm gonna do is 1 pump. Even 1 is kind of a lot. So one pump, and all I'm gonna do is just blow on it. So hold on. So it looks like this. And then all I'm gonna do is with the same sponge, I'm not gonna rinse it off, still have the concealer on it, is just take some up and just kind of go all over my cheek area and then just blend it out, bringing it down my neck because you want the closest color to your neck and chest. All right, so I'm gonna go really fast through this. Again, I'm just gonna blend this out and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done. I still have this little area, but as you can see, it did a pretty good job. I'm just gonna come again with a very small amount of concealer. Do a little hair. Do I have anywhere else? That one is pretty new. Right here, these are my most like stubborn areas. Okay, I'll do a little bit here. A little bit right there, and that's it. Let's do this first. And I'm just gonna use like very light tapping motions just to kind of blend this on, just to lay it on top of the skin. As you can see, I love it. It's doing an awesome job. This is all that you need right now. I mean, if you are that kind of person where you like dewy, just throw on some blush, do your eyebrows and lashes, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I have my blush, but before I do that, again, I don't like super shiny, shimmery, glow. I'll put like a little highlighter if I want, but I'm actually gonna come in with my warm number 2. This is the original powder that they had, and I'm gonna use a teeny tiny bit on my massive brush. This is actually a veil brush. So I'm gonna use my warm 2 kind of as a setting powder, if you will. Just this amount I'm gonna use for my whole face. So kind of just dab it. All right, that's a good. Okay, I'm done. I told you, super fast, easy, simple. Okay. Now for my blush, I'm going to use Serene. This is one of my favorite colors for blush. It is just so pigmented. You only need a little bit. I'm only going to use what's in my cap. Even that's going to be a lot. And just very lightly, just go in a circular motion on the top of your cheeks. Okay, I'm happy with that. Again, this is like super simple, easy look. Now, next, I'm gonna do my eyelids. I know it's dirty. This is the Sahara Sunset. Now that we're in September, I get to use these gorgeous colors. Now, I'm gonna do a very messy way, and I know a lot of you are not gonna like it. Just get a little bit on my finger and just go on my very lower lid. We want this fast. So if you are running late, or if you have to meet somebody after work and you have this palette in your purse or somewhere, just, you have your finger. That's all I'm gonna do. Have your fluffy brush, this is just a blending brush. And then all I'm gonna do is kind of in the crease, go back and forth, windshield wiper motion. I always have a problem saying that. So all I'm gonna do is go back and forth and then close my eye a little bit stronger and bring it upward. So I open, close, And that's all that I'm gonna do. Very easy, simple. And then same thing. All right, that's it. I have a little bit. All I'm gonna do is come with my sponge and clean up a little bit. That's it. All right, time for the lashes. All right, little curl. What I like to do first is take my lengthening mascara, which it is super small bristles, like teeny tiny. And all I'm gonna do is just start at the base and then come towards the very top. I'm gonna squint my eye just so I can get the very tips. And what I noticed with this new mascara, you guys, there is no clumping. There is no like spider legs, seriously. So then all I'm gonna do is just kind of rapidly go through it. All right, can you see the difference? I love this mascara. All right, so I'm just gonna do the same eye, and next what I'm gonna do is come with the Volumizing mascara. This one definitely has a larger bristle, whatever you wanna call it. All I'm gonna do is just come towards the base, wiggle a little bit, and bring it upward. This will definitely give your eyes more of the falsy look, the fake lashes. I don't know, for me, I just love using both of them. It just makes your eyelashes like, hello. Ta-da! I'm gonna do this eye really quick and I will be right back. Now, I'm gonna get to my eyebrows and I'm gonna use Jet Setter. As you can see, my hair is pretty dark, my eyebrows are dark, my everything is dark. So I'm going to use, like, where are you? I'm gonna use my eyeliner brush. Hold on, no, wrong one. Eyebrow brush. Say that 5 times really fast. So I got the spoolie on one end and then I got my little brush on the other end. And I'm going to use my little brush, take very little in from my cap, and then with my spoolie, brush my eyebrows downward. Okay, and then come in with my brush. And I'm like very lightly brushing this on. Okay, brush them up. And just use the remainder just to kind of give me a form right here. Can you see a difference? I love this. All right, if you want to go a little bit more fancy, throw on a lipstick. It's really not gonna matter because we're all wearing masks, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna take a little bit of Siren. Gorgeous color. All I'm gonna do is just tap this thing on because it's got some really pigmented colors. Oops, look weird. All right, this is the finished look, you guys. Perfect for the autumn. You can throw on a lighter lipstick if you want, just to kind of make it more playful, more kind of like an everyday work, you know, going out if you want. But if you really want to make it bold, you're going on date night or special event, throw on a lipstick, a little bit darker. And this is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I love making it for you. The coverage, you guys, on the foundation is medium. I'm gonna say medium to full, and then just adding your concealer really does help. This is super thick, you guys, so keep that in mind. But the new products from Young Living, hold on, what else do I have? I have the sponge. Oh, I have my bloom here. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment down below. Love hearing from you guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then also hit the bell for notifications because I am slowly getting back into making these videos. It's just life. I don't know. But anyway, to my next video. I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.